is how the room looked like when we remove all this stuff. But basically you can still see some stuff on the floor. But now, this is how the room looked like after. So here you can find this mirror from Rusta, which is around 1,085 pesos. And the motif of this room is based on the color pink, gray, gold, and white. And here you can see all the pictures hanging from this decoration from Ikea. And these balls with some lights on it is from Rusta, which is also very perfect for the motif inside the room. And this hanging thing is really perfect since it complements with the mirror because it's gold. And we also have here some desktop calendar and some pens to add up on my study table. And here you can find my iPad Pro, which I also use to edit some of my videos. And it is so perfect because the phone holder really matches the iPad since it's also rose gold. As you can see, the color is really perfect. And here is my Bluetooth speaker as well, which is sandy pink, and it matches everything inside this room, and I only use it to listen to music. And this one, where my desktop monitor is standing on, it's an extra USB port for me, and at the same time it helps me maximize the space inside this room, or specifically on my desktop table. As you can see, I can put my laptop under it, or you can also put your keyboard or your mouse so that you will have an extra space on your table where you can write on. And all these shelves down here, this is just basically an extra stuff where I can put, things. There you go. And this lovely curtain, I got it from Rusta for 99 sec, so around 500 pesos, which is a bit pricey just for one curtain because it does not comes with a pair. But I really love the texture, I love the color, I just love everything about this curtain. Plus, it matches perfectly on my pillowcase. And I also love the texture of this because it's very soft. And behind me, or on the other side, is another shelf where I just put basically my perfumes and some designs for the room. this is basically everything, guys, and I hope you had fun watching this video. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and please give this video a like or a thumbs up if you love watching this. And there you go. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye. Thank you.